KLM UK Engineering, part of the AFI KLM E&M network, is a leading UK-based maintenance repair organisation offering high-quality service and products from its head office location at Norwich Airport. KLM UK Engineering has been based at Norwich Airport for 40 years and provides base maintenance services and line maintenance support throughout the UK. The company prides itself on having an experienced and skilled workforce, delivering a superior service and high quality. Along with its established Part 145 organisation, the company is also home to our own on-site Part 147 Technical Training College. Delivering aircraft engineering training, the Technical College provides EASA Cat A, B1.1 and B2 basic training programs, along with the type rating training in support of the Part 145 MRO and our external customers. Operating from the International Aviation Academy Norwich, the facility offers a pioneering centre of excellence aimed to inspire individuals to become part of the ever-evolving aviation maintenance sector. Within the Academy, KLM UK Engineering occupies 8 state-of-the-art classrooms, 5 fully equipped hand skills workshops, along with the emulation zone, providing a real-world aircraft maintenance hangar environment. The centrepiece of this area is our retired Boeing 737-300, affectionately named Elsie, which not only provides the students an inspiring view when out of their classroom, but also the working knowledge and development of skills and competencies required in the industry. A Technical College embedded learning technology team provides a range of online support for local and off-site learners by developing and operating our own online virtual learning environment. The VLE offers our students 24-hour access to Part 66 module course material, module quizzes, video tutorials and student forums. The VLE supports students in-house and in the UK, establishments in the UAE, Malaysia and China, and our own engineers operating in line facilities all over the world. The college also supports the Part 145 organisation by producing e-learning courses such as Human Factors, eWiz and Fuel Tank Safety as part of its continuation training requirement. KLM UK Engineering, moving your world.